Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make roast cabbage. Hope you like it. I saw this recipe online and wanted to give it a try, and it tasted really good. This recipe is most suitable for busy working life because you can prepare it as soon as you get home from get off work. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients are just cabbage for this recipe. Cut cabbage into big chunks. Cover baking tray with aluminum foil. Wash and pat dry cabbage with kitchen napkin. Arrange cabbage nicely on baking tray. Sprinkle grind black pepper. Pinch of salt. Drizzle olive oil. Sprinkle herbs. Sprinkle Cajun seasoning powder. Optional to use mala powder if you like. Let's roast cabbage. Roast at 180 degrees for approximately 15 minutes. Roasted cabbage is ready to be served. Optional to drizzle olive oil if to dry. Let's eat now. The cabbage is slightly burnt, but it actually tastes great. You can try it too. It's really simple to make, and the cabbage tastes sweet and delicious. I found some information about cabbage on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Cabbage is highly nutritious and rich in vitamin C, fiber, and vitamin K. Some research suggests that it may have health benefits that include supporting digestion and heart health, among others. Cabbage also contains small amounts of other micronutrients, including vitamin A, iron, and riboflavin. In addition, cabbage is high in fiber and contains powerful antioxidants, including polyphenols and sulfur compounds. Cabbage is especially high in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that may protect against heart disease, certain cancers, and vision loss. The food that is incompatible with cabbage is cucumber, which will affect the absorption of vitamin C. Foods suitable for eating with cabbage. Cabbage plus black fungus, nourish the stomach, brain, body and body. Cabbage plus carrot, reduce the production of cancer cells. Cabbage plus tomato, prevent cancer and promote blood circulation. Cabbage plus tomato, prevent cancer and promote blood circulation. Cabbage plus pork, moisturize the stomach and intestines, promote body fluids and keep fit. People who should not eat cabbage, patients with itchy skin diseases and eye congestion should not eat it. Cabbage contains a lot of crude fiber and is hard, so people with spleen and stomach deficiency, diarrhea, and weak spleen in children should not eat too much. After abdominal and thoracic surgery, when gastrointestinal ulcers and bleeding are particularly severe, diarrhea and liver disease should not eat it. People who are suitable for cabbage. General people can eat it. It is especially suitable for patients with arteriosclerosis, cholelithiasis, obese patients, pregnant women and those with digestive tract ulcers. Cabbage is also known as Chinese cabbage, round cabbage, and head cabbage. According to its shape, it can be divided into 3 types: flat, pointed, and round. Cabbage leaves are large and thick. It is a vegetable with high nutritional value and has important healthcare functions. It can nourish bone marrow, strengthen muscles and bones, moisturize internal organs, benefit heart strength, remove key stagnation, clear heat and relieve pain. It is also a natural anti-cancer medicine. Nutritionists believe that cabbage is rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals, and is nutritious and can prevent excessive absorption of nutrients. In addition, cabbage also has beauty effects such as preventing aging and improving skin quality. By the way, if you are looking for healthy low-carbohydrate recipes, welcome to check out my healthy recipe playlist where there are 388 recipes waiting for you. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.